September. I am Sasha and I bring to you interesting news from the drone industry in the first month of fall. India is becoming the next drone hub as news are pouring in from all sectors with a magnitude scale use of UAV. Starting with news from the government sector, Atmanirbhar Bharat is scaling up its manufacturing potential with a strong collaborative approach between government, private sector and startups, making the country a drone hub. Lifesaver drone technology to transport organs directly from airport to hospital to save time and of course life. 250 drones lit up the Kartavya Path, formerly known as Rajpath, as a mark of respect and honor towards Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. A welcoming news for the drone manufacturers. Considering the gigantic manufacturing of drones happening in the country, the government is mulling over to increase the outlay of production-linked incentive. News from the agri sector. Good news for the farmers in Gujarat. To overcome the labour shortage in agriculture, the Gujarat government is going to invest a whopping 35 crores in drone technology. Some news from the collaboration and funding. Dare Ventures, the VC arm of Coromandel International, is soon going to launch drone as a service model in India. Partnering with Daksh Unmanned Systems, it aims to launch several pilot programs for crop protection and drone-based nutrients. Next in news from the defense wing. To reduce the load on helicopter pilots, the Indian Army has sent a proposal to the Army headquarters to create a separate cadre for its unmanned aerial vehicles. A similar proposal by IAF is already awaiting approval from the Defence Ministry. In view of heightening tensions with the bordering China region, Indian Army inducts the latest UAV in LAC, 2 in Arunachal Pradesh and 2 in Leh. Boosted by the Make in India campaign, IAF revived Project Cheetah to weaponize Israeli drones in all its defence wings. The Indian Army is intending to get drone systems under emergency purchase. It will allow the army forces to buy items up to rupees 300 crore in the capital and rupees 500 crore in the revenue categories. BSF develops a drone-based tear gas shell dropping to control mobs and rioters. Adding another cap to its feather of Make in India campaign, ALS-50 drone system has been tested successfully at the Pokhran field firing range. Now coming to some miscellaneous news from Indian drone industry. Over 25 startup companies with specialization in surveillance, artificial intelligence and manufacturing showcase their products in front of Indian Army at a 2-day exhibition organized at Bangalore. Covering an aerial distance of 104 km, a Sky Mobility drone in West Bengal delivered a consignment of medicines. This is regarded as the longest drone delivery of medicine. First of its kind, the students from IIT Delhi organized a special drone light show in Bangalore. The formation included a bus and a Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, which was organized in the honor of Union Minister and for other dignitaries. Now any Indian can purchase and fly drones. The unmanned vehicle maker NeoSky by early next year is launching drones for personal use and can be used for leisure, travel, marriage and other purposes. Ratan India Enterprises gain after its launch Defender, an indigenously developed tracking and capturing system for rogue drones. It is loaded with 13 artificial intelligence features to neutralize any rogue drones. Indian Air Force are adding drones to strengthen its surveillance. Recently, IAF has decided to procure 100 UAV for surveillance of Indian Air Force bases. India's first combat-ready UAV, Jatayu AIM-X, tested successfully in Mumbai. The drone built by Jatayu Unmanned System, a drone startup, conducted the field test in collaboration with the Indian Armed Forces. The problem for Ukraine seems to be increasing with Russian military using Iranian suicide drones in the Kharkiv region. The drones evaded soldiers' defenses and dropped bombs on their position, destroying tanks and crews. So friends, with this we come to an end to this month's Drone News Express. To get more updates, follow our Drone Helpline Facebook and LinkedIn page. The link is provided in the description box below. You can also provide us with your views, ideas and feedback. Thank you for watching. Do like our video. Do not forget to share and subscribe to our Drone Helpline YouTube channel.